Hello. Today we are going to learn something about Power BI Desktop. Power BI is a tool from Microsoft which basically helps us to visualize the data effectively. The data could be in any form. It could be an Excel file. It could be a CSV file. It could be other format also. So this is the basic function of Power BI. So it can use different software, services, apps, and connector that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. So today with us we have an Excel file which has data in this form. So in the first column we have order date, the second column we have ship date, the third column we have customer name, and so on and so forth. So this data is little difficult to analyze. So with the help of Power BI, we can use this data to make it more presentable. So let's start. So first of all, you need to download Power BI Desktop in your laptop. It's free of cost. So after downloading, click on open, and this is the first thing that you will see on your desktop. So from here you can upload the data, but first let's close this file. And so this is the basic dashboard of Power BI. And this you can see different file, home, insert, modeling, view, help. And when we click on home button, we'll see different types of uh, inputs that we can use. And on the right hand side, we have different visualization. Visualizations means that we can use different uh, tools to view our data effectively. The first one is one of the most common tools, that is a bar graph, bar chart. The second one is also one of the most common tools, the column charts, and so on and so forth. So to work on our Excel file, the global superstore, that is one of the most common files that we can use to practice Power BI. Let's first upload that. So there are different ways that we can upload that Excel file into Power BI. The first one and the most common is to click on the get data on the top left corner. So from here you can upload your Excel sheet, or you can also import your Excel sheet. Okay, so so when we click on get data, you can upload your Excel sheet by clicking on Excel workbook here. So these are different types of files that you can upload in Power BI. And if you want to upload Excel sheet, click on this Excel workbook and click on connect. So when you click on connect, it will ask which Excel file do you need to upload. So click on the file. I have here this Global Superstore Order 2016 and click on open. So this file will upload on your Power BI desktop. It might take some time depending upon your computer's specifications, but yeah, it's easy to use. So when you click open, this navigator will pop up, and on this you can see the name of your file. Here it is Global Superstore Order 2016. Click on this checkbox, and when you click on this checkbox, you can see your Excel file here. It is the same Excel file that I had just shown you moments ago. Click on load. So when you click on load, this file will load in your Power BI desktop. Again, you can wait a couple of seconds depending upon the computer specifications. So it will load. Let's wait. I think it's done. So it's easy to use, it's easy to upload the file. And once the file has been uploaded to your Power BI desktop, you can see that there is no change. It's the same. But right now we have our Power BI desktop Excel installed in this. So this is the area that we will work on. So if we click on the bar chart, this will pop up. You can increase or decrease the size according to your wish or preference. So these are the different parameters that you can work upon. And on the fields on the right side of your Power BI desktop, you have this order compact, which has different parameters that you can use to make your data more appealing. So on the x-axis, let's use the order date. Just drag it to your x-axis, and once you drag it on the x-axis, it will show in this chart. And here in the build visual on the y-axis, you can add the sales. Just drag the sales into the y-axis and drop it there. So once you do the both of it, the result will show up on a Power BI desktop like this. So this is more appealing. This is easy to see. In 2012, the sales is this, and the corresponding years, so on and so forth. So this is the basic thing that we can do in Power BI desktop. You can change the whole column chart to bar chart by just clicking on it. So once you click on the bar chart, the whole chart will convert into a bar chart. You can do it for a line chart as well. You can do it for this pie chart as well. So you can use different visualizations to see your data in different formats. So this is the basic thing that we can do in Power BI desktop, and we'll do more things later. Thank you so much.